What's good, DRG family? And we back with another video. You know what time it is. It's Tshot day. So let's get it together. And we're back, family. Alright. So as always, we're getting our setup together. We got the drawing needle, the injection needle, and the syringe. Alright. We also got the MVP. So before we get started, you want to alcohol wipe the area, even if you just came out the shower. Better safe than sorry. This week we're doing it on the left side, all right? So we're gonna get that together. Let it dry. As it dries, you wanna get everything else together. I actually went to a different pharmacy today and they gave me some different needles. They look different. Good thing I had some extras from my last prescription for the drawing needle. It's easier to come out. I don't know with these new ones how to do it. So for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna stick to what I know. But the injection needle is different. So it came like this. They say this is the BD slide one. Let me actually show you what the drawing needle the new pharmacy gave me looks like. It's the same thing. They say it's a BD safety glide, but it comes in like this plastic thing. So this part already came pushed down. So I pulled it up thinking it could come out, but apparently I guess it's meant to cover the tip of the needle for safety disposal, which is a good thing. But if I would have knew that ahead of time, I would have never pulled it down. And once you pull this part out, you can't push it back to go back in. So it is a good safety thing, just not my forte. So while the area is drying, we're gonna go ahead and draw our dose. All right. Even the syringe looks different from the ones I had before. All right, so since it's dry now, we're gonna go ahead and go with the injection. All right. So since the needles are a little different, I had to like pause the video and call CVS to make sure that I was doing it right, because I actually messed up the last drawing needle. We don't want to do that, so we ain't trying to waste needles and stuff over here. Well, we're good on the bubbles, so that's good. And so you see these look a little different. So I'm gonna show you guys why these are different. But they assured me that it's good to go. Once you pull that out, you don't want to pull that plastic thing up ahead of time, because then you'll be wasting a needle because it doesn't retract back down. It's supposed to be for safety purposes, like safety disposal. So this actually comes in handy when you go to dispose your needles. All right, so if you see, this plastic thing is supposed to retract to cover the needle once you're done injecting. On the bright side, this one actually hurts less. After you finish pushing it in, you want to leave it in. Leave the needle in for about 10 to 20 seconds. You don't want to waste any tea when you pull it out. Keep your hand as steady as possible. And then this, you just lift it up from the top. It covers the needle. Honestly, it's environmentally friendly. I ain't mad. It was just a little weird to deal with in the beginning, but hey. I'm not bleeding, but some body fluid came out, so I wanted to make sure. Also, I heard somewhere that it could be the tea, not just body fluid, so I mean, hey, everybody has their own opinions. Just to be on the safe side, you clean it up, push it in with the alcohol wipe, and Press against it for a few seconds. Usually do it for about same amount of time, 20 to 30 seconds. And then we're good. Since I'm not bleeding, no need for a needle. I mean, no need for a bandage. Same. I just told my mama pick your fucking house out. You do need a napkin. Not a napkin, a band-aid. But easy peasy lemon squeezy. So that's the new needles from CVS. All of them come with that little plastic thing, but I guess it comes in handy too. So you're not pushing all the way to the bottom of the needle like most of Walgreens. And it actually covers the tip for you, so it actually comes in handy for you to dispose of it, especially if you don't have any like plastic containers, or if you're doing it without buying the proper container to dispose of it. So it comes in handy. You put it in any type of plastic container, you know, 2-liter bottle, gallon, whatever. You know what I mean? Safety first. Alright, family, so that was it for the video. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for rocking with me. Alright, I hope you have a good day. Happy Valentine's Day weekend. I personally don't celebrate it, but all the power to you guys if you do. You know, love is supposed to be celebrated every day. Appreciate you. Dead Rose Garden forever. Check out the link in the bio. I appreciate you guys. Stay safe, stay blessed, and I'll see you guys next video. On the way, yeah. I see some millies on the way.